Awesome story, Diana. This is Hi guys, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to Diana Ankudinova. Oh, don't cry. Mood video. So without further ado, let's see what Diana have to say in this particular track. Don't cry, don't cry. Tell me why are you vulnerable? You're standing far from the spring. You can't find even a sip of water. Don't cry, don't cry. Why are you so vulnerable? You can't even find a sip of water. So I guess this song, it's all about, a mood, right? And when it comes on to mood, people changes a lot. So let's see what others message Diana has to give us today.
Не плачь, не плачь, ты, скажи, за что ранимо ты стоишь вдали от родника, глоток не найдя ради.
Bro, I am a huge fan of Diana. And whenever time she releases a song, her music always have some great, incredible stories. Stories that are very much remarkable. It leaves you stunned. Right? And to venture off into Diana's world, it's something you should have a captivation on. And she's blessed. So her music will literally be blessed as well. Let's continue.
Не плачь, не плачь, ты, скажи, за что ранимо ты стоишь вдали от родника, глоток не найдя.
Why are you so vulnerable? Why are you so vulnerable? You can't even find a sip of water. I mean, like, this person is quite in a crying mood, right? And he's at a spring. So why can he find a sip of water? So why are you crying? Why? I mean, like, can I help you? Why can't you just go to the spring, get a sip of water from the spring? Question: is this song Diana's official song? Because if so, beautiful music. She uses a lot of repetitive lyrics, but it's more easier, it's more catchy for us to understand the lyrics even more. Life is coming to a turn. Alright? Alright? Life is something precious, right? It's full of, it is loaded of ups and downs, right? Initiative and tranquil, right? So it's something that we should embrace, right? Sometimes when we feel down, we should go and sip a water from the spring and feel refreshing, feel refined, right? So Diana's music is a lifetime music, and her voice with this music is a proper combination of greatness. I trusted everything to words. So she trusts this guy, right? And once a female gives you her trust, bro, do not break it. Because we have a lot of people out there who make a lot of promises unto their partner, but whenever that promises breaks, it's something different. And for a female to trust your words, don't break your promises, bro, because it's gonna be tough to get and to gain her trust back once more. I remember walking barefoot. Summer has disappeared. It's gone without a trace. Nice! Wonderful story. I'm loving the concept. And the craving memories are leaving. I remember walking barefoot. So I guess she's a person who elevated, enhances herself.
Summer's
Summer's gone and never left existed. Now will allow a tree beyond the pond. Now that willow tree beyond the pond. So something has reached this female. The way it started, it seems as if it's someone she loved and it is fading away. Wonderful message. I gotta say, you know, people can be hard at times, right? Both in love, both in friendship, both in relationship, both in everything. Because once two people partake in a form of relation, it's gonna be conflicted, right? Things is not gonna go the way it is planned, but you know, life can take tremendous turns if we overstep that obstacle. So let's continue. And I gotta say, beautiful scenery, beautiful background where she shoots this video. I gotta say, it seems a little bit scary, but I'm loving the sense of humor of Diana. This video is a wonderful, properly constructed video. Very great messenger. Droplet of water. I think we have given up on each other. Wow. Wow. Let's continue. Droplets are dropping on my shoulders. I guess this person is crying. This person is crying because something terrible is going on. I think we've given up on each other. Wow. So I guess it's a sorrowful relationship, right? I guess they are going through a lot of fighting because the way how she walks on the ground barefooted for this person. Bro, it's hard to lose someone you love. Trust me. Let's go back. It's the attention of oncoming tuggers that counts. Yeah, facts, pure facts. Mark on the trunk, a little bit of damage. Her trunk is her heart, right? So it's damaged because of how this person treats her. Based on the level of how far they are coming from, this person treats her with disrespect, with insult. So I guess the mark is on her trunk, which is her heart. And I'm sorry, Diana, that you are going through so much. Diana is a very great artist when she comes on to writing. So I have to always give her the props, give her the thumbs up, bro. And I look up to this woman so much, bro. Her voice, it's immaculate. Very immaculate. I remember I walked barefoot. Summer was gone. Summer was to gone without a trace. All the heat of love is just faded, bro. Trust me. Oh dear. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. Willow. So the guy is Willow. Awesome story, Diana. This is depicting a very great story.
Скажи, зажита ранима. Ты стоишь вдали от родника, глоток не найдя родимый.
If she was the one who wrote the song, phenomenon. Absolutely a phenomenal song. Summed up for this wonderful music, Diana. It was well, properly constructed. I fully understand the lyrics of this song. She's a very great artist, bro. Very great artist, and her music is very good. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Diana, I'm sorry that you have to go through so much in life, but we're here for you. And if you guys enjoyed this reaction, remember, leave a like, turn that bell icon on to be notified of whenever time I release another reaction, and please stay tuned for more Diana's reaction. Peace.